gates open, they're up and racing. Tiger Moon moving up by the rail, Versua. Then sneaking in down on the inside is Queen Sprayer. Running on the outside, open slow. Then moving up in between runners, Leotard by the rail, Ice Storm. Then running in between runners is 2A Queen of Class. Then running on the outside, moving up is Toris Best. And running by the rail, Ice Storm second last. While yes, Pogi is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 600. Queen Sprayer leading the field, Leotard, Tiger Moon moving up on the outside. Then moving up is 6A, and that's Redemption. As the action kicks towards the last 450, Tiger Moon leading the field, Queen Sprayer in between runners, Leotard. Then moving up is Redemption and 2A Queen Sprayer. With the last 150 more to run, Tiger Moon leading the field. By the rail, Queen Sprayer moving up on the outside is Versua. Queen of Class moving up on the outside with 50 meters, Versua, Queen of Class, and finally Versua, Queen of Class, Tiger Moon, 6A Redemption. Yes, Pogi, for your pentapekta.
Malupit